course. Today we are going to learn about tree map. Okay, last video we have learned about combo chart in Power BI. Today we are going to learn about tree map. This is our day 18 of data analytics full course. In this we are covering the Microsoft Power BI sessions. Okay, Microsoft Power BI projects also I have uploaded on my playlist. If you are not watched and not practice, you can go to playlist and watch that video. Okay, so let's start our tree map video. How to use tree map visual in a Power BI, how to import data, how which are the columns you have to use in the tree map, that we are going to learn. Here you can see the tree map. First one is here. This is our tree map. And second is what? Map. Okay, this is our tree map in our Power BI. This is the Power BI visual of tree map. Okay, all the visuals in the Power BI are the dynamic. Now how to use this visuals while creating the projects, while doing the projects in the Power BI, you have to use the any chart which you are using in your project, you have to use it in the small size. Okay, multiple visuals you have to use while practicing the projects of our Microsoft Power BI. So let's start our tree map. Here on tree map we will import. Here you can see first what are the options given by Power BI in the build visuals. That is what first one is category. What the category you have to use here you can provide. Okay, second is what? Details you can add here, details column you can add, and third one is values. Okay, these three are the main. Now here downside is tooltip that are common in all the visuals. Okay, now here also if I am using in other visual, here you can see the tooltip is common. All visuals, this is the common. Okay, tooltip is in the common part. But first three parts are get changed on every visual. You can see in tree map you can see a category, details and values are given. If we are using in other visual, their x-axis, y-axis or legends, small, multiple changes are given, multiple options are provided as per the chart. On tree map, on category we will use activity plan. Okay, on activity plan we are given. On values we will give designation. Okay, values. And on details we will provide the status. Okay, on our details. Now you can see here. Now these are the columns. Okay, whole data is we can see here. Okay, how much, what was the rows, multiple rows were there, that whole is visible in our tree map. Now if I will use here filter activity plan, whole activity plan is visible. Here I will give only top 10. From top 10 I will provide. Okay, activity plan. Okay, now here see on tree, when we have used the whole table, okay, when I have imported whole activity plan, all the activity plans are visible in the tree map. But when I am using the filter visual, filter pane, on filter pane I can provide that if I want top 10 values or top or bottom values, that I can provide through the filter pane. Now here you can see, here on category we have imported activity plan, right? On details we have imported status, and on values count of destination I have provided. Now you can see on our this chart tree map, data is in the form of tree. Okay, now three columns we have provided: activity plan, status and count. Now here you can see the activity plan is visible. Okay, and while using the filter I given the top 10 activity plan. If I am clicking on particular is getting only visible. Okay, particular activity is visible. Okay, on our activity plan. Now here we will give title to the our visual. Okay, count of destination by activity. This is the common title which is provided, but here we will change. Here we will change the category labels. Now see, we can give formatting or background color to the particular color. By colors we can provide here legends which are given, that we can provide here. Okay, if size, if I want to increase of that category, that also I can increase. Okay, then data labels are also on. Okay, if I will not give data labels, then the count or that information cannot be visible to us. Okay, so here we have provided everything. Okay, legends also we have provided. If I want legends in the bottom center, then also I can provide here. Now legends are in the bottom side, right, bottom center. If I want in the left side, then I can give here top left. Now legends are in the top left, we can see here. Okay, if I want legends in the right side, then also we can provide here. On right side also legends are available. Okay, as per our conditions or requirement we can provide the legends. Title, here we will provide tree map. Okay, now you can provide here font size, font family you can change, or color, text color also you can change from our general. Okay, text color, if I want to change, I can change here text color. Background color also you can provide to the particular text. Okay, subtitle divisor we can provide from our general. Okay, general visuals. Now you can see here trim map. If I will click on particular legend, okay, that only will be visible to me. If I am clicking on weekly review meeting with PD, that if I am clicking that, only that data is available to me. Okay, and others are blurred, right? Other activities are blurred, other information are blurred. In this way we can use the tree map on our Power BI, and as per our requirement we can use the tree map. In tree map all the columns we can import here. Three parts are given. First one is what? A category. As per categories we can provide. Second is details, and third one is values. Tooltip is common to all the visuals which we are using on our Power BI. Hope you have understood today's video of tree map session. We have covered all the parts of the tree map. Last video we have completed of combo chart. If you have not watched that video, go on our playlist. From that you can watch. Project of Power BI, day 11 only I have completed project. What we have learned from day 1 to day 10. After that I created one project and of Google Play Store, that also you can practice. Hope you have understood today's video. If you are having any doubt, comment on our video. And if you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.